Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Surveillance for public safety involves the use of technology and monitoring systems to enhance the security and well-being of communities. Though closed-circuit television cameras are being used to monitor public spaces, the huge amount of data generated by a large number of cameras makes the work tedious and slows down the tracking process. An innovative solution named Hawkeye can provide a solution to this problem.
Sir, our project focuses on a public surveillance system. Currently, the problem which the police administration is facing is that they are actually manually checking the CCTV footages, even for the detection of the criminals who are present in our database. Another major problem is the volume of the data which these cameras are generating. Let's say I'm talking about the NCR area, there is immense network of CCTV cameras. The footages which they actually generate is a massive amount of data. Let's say they are in hours, they are trillions of hours. Let's say if we're combining the footage of last year. What our solution currently focuses is on, our solution is basically about real-time detection of criminals when we have already got their data in our database. How our solution works is that we will first put the image of the criminal in our database, and as soon as the image is successfully added, all the network of CCTV cameras which are already connected through the database, we don't have to actually connect them because they are already connected. Taking the example of the e-challan, how the challan is generated, the high surveillance camera actually captures the number plate and generates the challan using the ALPR technology. We are using some kind of similar technology according to that. We will connect all of the CCTV cameras with our deep learning models using the YOLO models or CNN models. It will be able to capture the images of the real-time detection using the deep learning models. I will show you the prototype along with the project. So this is our web interface. As soon as I log in this, I have 3 tracks in this. All the 3 tracks are track a vehicle, track a criminal and track thefts. Currently the full stack working part is the track a criminal part. So as soon as I open the track a criminal, I have 2 parts, add a criminal and track a criminal. We have made the UI extremely accessible because we know the restrictions of the tech knowledge of each and every police personnel. I'm not trying to defame any kind of personnel, but I know that everyone is not able to use the hi-fi kind of technology. So they are restricted somewhat that. So upon coming the 2 features on the track a criminal, let me add my image for a prototype in this database. This is my name and I'll now add my age and I'll upload the photo from the database. This is my photograph, and as soon as I'm uploading this, it is showing that criminal added successfully. Now as I uploaded the image, it is already sent to the database of all the CCTV networks. If I'm coming upon a track a criminal feature, on the real time we will be using the CCTV footages. So currently I am restricted with my webcam because I don't have access to all of the CCTV cameras. So I will be using my camera of the laptop. As soon as I'm coming in front of this webcam, it is able to detect me within the accuracy of milliseconds. So as the detection has been happened, my smartphone has received with the messages stating that criminal Vishal has been detected, location with latitude, longitude, even the accuracy of seconds. So here the main hook point of our project arrives. Here the time is given as 12, 17 and 14. So the detection is not only restricted to seconds. I mean, I am not only detecting one time. Let's say if the time is 12, 17 and 15, and if I am able to capture in another camera one more time, the notification will be pushed to nearest police station in the real time. So this is the end time of notification system. This will be able to redefine the public safety because the delay which police personnel faces in detection of criminal is that's not their problem. That's the problem of the current system which is they are using. In technology restriction, let's say they are checking the footage of 20 hours, they are going to check that manually. For example, if the footage is of 30 hours, even if the police personnel is watching that footage on 2x, they are going to consume 15 hours. And let's say there was nothing useful in that, all the 15 hours going in vain. And let's say if they are able to track somehow at the timestamp, let's say 17 hours and 30 minutes, we don't know the next 13 hours where that person was. So that creates a problem of time dilation. So around the data of Wikipedia says that 80% of the crimes can be prevented if they can be tracked at the real time. So that kind of problem my project can solve.
If worked upon diligently, Hawkeye could prove to be a very useful tool to have safe neighborhoods.